The battle every L5P owner wants to see. VGT or non-VGT. If you missed the video, check it out here. Today, we are focused on our D3 HP package that features a Stealth 67 turbocharger. We're gonna go to battle with an S400, but we're focused on this today. With a 10mm CP3 pump, a fast fuel system, stock injectors, and a Worley custom fat piping kit, can this truck make more power than the S400? Well, for starters, this truck's gonna be the truck to chase. This is the platform that if you tow with your truck, daily drive with your truck, and wanna melt the damn tires off, Team VGT seems the way to go. So my job is this. One, I'm gonna share the information with you guys. How much power can this truck put down? First, I'm gonna knock it all the way down because it shouldn't make that much power. It's just got a little VGT on it. We're gonna give it a little bit of fuel, gonna make a rip on the Mustang dyno, then we're gonna go over the data. Boys, it's dyno time. That was beautiful, man. That was beautiful. So we just finished up with our first pull on the D3 powered L5P, the baby pull. Well, this truck now deserves the title as that was Tune 1. This truck, take a closer look, laid down 551 brute horsepower and 978 feet-pound of torque. Guys, I came in, I literally flat-footed it, didn't expect big numbers. This thing, to my surprise, laid down some surprising numbers. That is what our D1 HP package turned all the way up puts down on the Mustang dyno. And what's more impressive, it laid down that at 3,000 RPMs. So this thing just kept pulling. It wants more fuel. This is gonna be the truck that's gonna go over 600 horsepower. How far? I don't know, but I'm ready to find out. We're gonna turn it up to Tune 3, and we're gonna see if this dude will actually step into that 620, 630 range. Is 700 in the book? I damn well hope so. Let's run it again. We just finished up running the truck on Tune 3. Keep in mind, we went Tune 1, which made 550 brute horsepower. Great numbers. That's usually what we do on a D1 HP package, maxed all the way out. So we already met that limit. Our next goal was Tune 3. Did this truck break into the 600 horsepower range? Keep in mind, it's got a Stealth 67mm drop-in turbocharger. I'm not really a big fan, but let's take a look at the numbers. Guys, we laid down on stock injectors 617 brute horsepower and 1,088 feet-pound of torque. Now, one thing I want you to pay attention to, because I'm gonna have to hold this damn thing back. It's wanting to get to the run way too fast. We did that run in 1.083 seconds. Now, if you don't believe me, we ran it correctly. Check it out. Where do we start at? Going back to this graph, we started out the run at 2,200 RPMs. Pulling it up. 2,200 RPMs over here. And I ran this thing all the way out to 3,200. I wanted a nice, big, pretty graph to see what this truck can actually lay down. So we know this, it's making power. It's making a ton of torque down low and running through it. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load the truck harder. I want the run to be about 4 or 5 seconds long. That way we can really work that turbocharger, hit our set point on boost, and ultimately see if this thing can get close to that 700 brewable horsepower. We've got tune 5 to go, let's run it. Giving that hell back there. Woo! Swear she's giving it hell back there on the axle wrap. I can feel it. It's not the engine. So guys, I'm back here behind the L5P. So the biggest thing is, like, you see that, whoa, when the dyno adds load to this thing with these damn tires, I'm trying to get some heat through them, it's adding the load, and like, I can see it, it's losing traction and coming back. That's not in the actual engine, that's the damn thing sending rubber to the moon. So this turbocharger is putting it down a shitload of torque, it's just not hanging on to the dyno. So I'm gonna re-strap it down. I'm going to take some load off of it and let it get through a clean run. So let's add some load to it. Let's take it away this time. Got a new problem on the Mustang dyno. Something called tire slippage. Too much air in the tire. The truck is literally bouncing on the dyno because we're creating a shitload of torque on that Stealth 67 turbocharger. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna let out some air and let this thing cool down and get a true number on tune 5 of what this turbocharger can do. While it's cooling down, we're gonna offer you guys a problem, but with the problem comes a solution. If you want a truck that you can hop in and go to the racetrack and possibly win the stock appearing turbo class, this may be a turbocharger for you. If you're wanting to get on the dyno and make over 600 brewable horsepower, this be a turbocharger for you. If you want something where you can go do rolling burnouts, well, we can do it on the dyno. You could probably do it when you're driving it. Guys, I'm talking about offering you 10% off on your calibrated power solution Stealth turbocharger from the 67 all the way to the 64. These guys, we are so thankful. They're giving you the opportunity to jump on the website. We don't run ads. They're like, we want to help your guys out, push our turbocharger, see if that damn thing can make power on your dyno. Guess what? We're making power. She's cooling off. While she's cooling off, jump on the website, 10% off. All you have to do is type in the promo code STEALTH. You can get these turbochargers from this Friday all the way to next Friday. Let's run this thing. Make some power, boys. So we just finished up on Tune 5, the big boy file. Well, the big boy showed up, and guess what? He wanted to party. What am I talking about? At the end of that run, you heard that, what was that? The truck was fighting something. It wasn't a rail pressure issue. It was kind of my feelings because I wanted to get the most power out of it. Take a look at this video here. We're talking about a new term, axle wrap. See the video? Cool. Now take a look at the graph. See these little bitty bleeps all down through here, and then up top you see it? That is the truck vibrating and not putting the power down to the rear wheels. It's transferring through the drivetrain. I can feel it in the seat. So we gotta stop. Well, stopping today's video, what kind of power did we make? I think you're gonna be impressed, because I'm pretty damn impressed with this thing on stock injectors. Take a look at it. We laid down 663 real horsepower and 1,149 feet-pound of torque. This truck, I know, we can push it. I can load it harder because I backed down that load. The tires, they didn't help out any, so just don't even worry about the tires. This truck, in today's video, we got our D3 HV package. We've got the VGT 67, we've got a piping kit, we've got a 10mm CP3 pump, we've got a built RevMax transmission in it, and a fast fuel system. What I want to see, because we're battling the two trucks out, the VGT puts the power down. Now it's time for the S400 truck. When it gets on the channel, can it compare? Can it go torque for... I can't even untorque my mouth because can we go torque for torque and compare the two? Because we know this, that VGT puts it in down low. Can the S400 get it done? We don't know, but we're going to find out. Make for sure you like, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We appreciate the hell of you guys, and we'll see you next time here at Point Blank Performance.